Hi guys, look at this algebraic polynomial. The question is x to the power 6 plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 plus x is equals to 0, and we have to find the value of x. Since we have all x, so just take out x common. So you are left with x to the power 5 plus x to the power 3 plus x square plus 1 is equals to 0. Now this implies that x is equals to 0 and x to the power 5 plus x to the power 3 plus x square plus 1 is equals to 0. Now this x is equals to 0 is one solution of x. Now solving this, you can just bracket these two terms like this. Now out of these two terms, take out x to the power 3 common. So we have x square plus 1 plus x square plus 1 is equals to 0. Now taking out x square plus 1 common, so you are left with x cube plus 1 is equals to 0. Now this implies that x square plus 1 is equals to 0 and x cube plus 1 is equals to 0. Further, x square is equals to minus 1. Now taking root on both sides, so you have x is equals to plus minus I. So these are the other two solutions of x. Now solving for x cube plus 1 is equals to 0, we're using the algebraic identity here, that is a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is minus. Now this implies this x cube plus 1 can be written as x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 is equals to 0, or you can say x plus 1 is equals to 0, and this x plus 1 is equals to 0. This implies that x is equals to minus 1. So this is the fourth solution of x. Now working on this quadratic equation, that is x square plus 1 is equals to 0. Comparing this x square minus x plus 1 with the standard quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we have a is equals to 1, b is minus 1 and c is 1. And applying the quadratic formula, that is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Putting the values, we get x is equals to minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 1 upon 2 into 1. Further, x is equals to 1 plus minus, this is 1 minus 4 upon 2, or you can say x is equals to 1 plus minus 3 under root minus 3 upon 2, or x is equals to 1 plus minus under root 3i upon 2. So writing all the solutions here, we have first solution of x that is 0. Second solution of x, it's I. Third solution of x is minus I. Fourth solution of x is minus 1. And the fifth solution of x is 1 plus under root 3i upon 2. And the sixth solution of x is 1 minus under root 3i upon 2.